Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. It's gonna be a lot of light that has to be shared on this one. Dr. Sebi, he coined this alkaline electric food. And this is natural food that's created for the natural man and woman, the original inhabitant. And yet, you got hybrids, half-breeds, amalgamated, recessive, that are using his ways, using his practices, and using his food, and using his terminology without initially giving his credit. They getting interviews, going on TV and whatnot, and they saying that, and they ain't mentioning the American man, Dr. Sebi. And I said American because his mother's mother is from Honduras. This right here was created for the original inhabitant. You hear me? And you got hybrids who's using it, stealing this. Like they stealing this. And then when you catch them on it, because they said, oh, we always mention them in a TikTok and this and that. I'm looking at your post. I don't see a bit of name Dr. Sebi listed there. And I'm looking at they're using all the hashtags in the world, but ain't no Sebi hashtag in there. So I'm saying, who the frick was this? Oh, so you must not. I said, how is this supposed to be? How is this supposed to be? Because I said, how was the first time people supposed to know if they coming into this? If they just come into your post, how are they supposed to know that? And they sitting there trying to get smart. You're a thief. You're a freaking thief. You're a freaking thief. These foreigners out here stealing these practices. You're a freaking hybrid. Why the frick? You're trying to eat the original's food. You're trying to be the ways of the original. All you do is just steal. Recessive motherfuckers. Trying to steal our art and craft. Never want to give you credit. I'm sick and tired of these half-breeds. I'm sick and tired of these hybrids. All these foreigners, all these Mongols who want to steal and destroy the culture. They ain't got no respect. I don't give a frick. You think you could be right in front of my face? You want to talk like me? You want to dress like me? You want to look like me? Want to dance like me? Wear my hair like me? Come on. And you think I'm supposed to be okay with that? I seen this motherfucking pale face a couple of hours ago. Face tattoos like an original, because the face tattoos, that's our culture. Dressed up some dyked up bitch. What the frick? Think I'm supposed to be okay with that? You think I'm not supposed to notice? You think I'm not supposed to notice? Think I'm not supposed to realize? You think, oh, it's supposed to be flattery? No, bitch, I don't want your flattery. Give me back my land, give me back my culture, and you stay the frick away. Then I'll be flattered. Then I'll be flattered. Because this right here, like, I just can't believe this, man. This American man was assassinated in Honduras. And Honduras should have been turned to flip over after they killed our healer. After they killed our healer, man. Real talk. And you know, these foreigners, they could care less. Because Dr. Sebi coined the diet based on the original inhabitant. Who is it for? Who are these hybrids doing it for? Because they're not doing it for the original inhabitant. They doing it for hybrids. So they stealing your culture. They stealing you. You're not original. You don't eat these original foods. You're not natural. And two, they trying to go along with it because they said the food, because when he was talking about the food as far as the multitude of hybrids, it's best for them. And you got these hybrids who want to eat his food, which is our food, and saying as if it's the best for them. No, it's not. They're using your gift, but you're not. You're missing out on it. You're missing out on it. You'd rather eat the poison that they gave you You think that something's wrong with it. You honestly think there's something wrong with it. This is the natural way. I mean, shoot, I don't know if you question about it, but you don't question those doctors. I don't know what the frick to tell you. Because right now, y'all hurry up and go get your vaccines, man. Hurry up and get your motherfucking vaccines. Hurry up. Just hurry up and get it done already. Or whatever. Oh, I don't know. They might censor that word. Go get your shots. I'll say that. Go get your freaking shots. Go get your freaking shots, cuz. People are ridiculous. Freaking ridiculous, cuz. Can't even freaking believe it. Niggas are freaking ridiculous. You guys let this happen. Nobody's gonna sit there and stand up for this. I mean, a multitude should be doing this, but yet people want to jump up and say, oh, I know Dr. Sebi, I know that. You know better, you do better. You just want to say that you know him. They're trying to make Dr. Sebi a symbolic figure. Just like a street name. Street name, Martin Luther King. He was an agent. Y'all do your own research. Martin Luther King Jr. was an agent, but y'all do your own research. That's for another topic to discuss. You can just do your own research. Come on now. Just steal it. When are you gonna get it, man? When are you gonna step up? When are we gonna have our own culture and preserve it? Because then you say they come and steal ours. That doesn't belong to you. You're amalgamated. You're an amalgamation. Why don't you eat amalgamated food? Why do you wish to come and take the originals? Steal from the originals. Live on the originals. Take all the resources. Not give credit to the originals. Not say who the originals are. But yet you're using the originals' terms and practices. That's thievery. That's robbery. And then you want to go on interviews. You want to try to get your name up. Try to steal from us. And you go on interviews, and why ain't the first thing you talking about the alkaline electric diet? You not talking about Dr. Sebi? Why is it at the first sentence that comes out of your mouth? What is this alkaline electric diet? And you not talking about that? But yet y'all want to put that on your page? Is that what's going on? Is that what's going on? Act like we gave him credit. Y'all whispering him. What the frick? But y'all yelling his terms, yelling his vernacular, yelling his phrases. Get a man his credit. Get a man his freaking credit, man. And give the people his credit. Matter of fact, have your own stuff, man. Have your freaking own stuff. Tired of these motherfuckers stealing, man. You're not original. But yet the original's gonna let this. Y'all gonna let this slide? Like everything else, huh? We gotta stand for something, y'all. We gotta defend our culture, but we gotta protect that culture, y'all. Shoot. You know how it is. If you don't, you about to find out. American Pride, feathers up. You guys want to book a consultation, you can do that. DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration if you haven't already. Or you can just send us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration with the subject consultation. Check the links in the description box. Courses, apparel, items, whatever you guys for cooking and stuff like that. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the bell notification, daily uploads. Peace, love, and light.